Here it says 2001, bunker. Today, on the 27th of September 2023. Here's Sibeliuksentie 2, here in Kerava, LSKS Force region, modernized Finland. Kone, Sigma element here. Kone mass specs with Sigma pictures. It's of course. Built in 2001, but was it finished in 2002? Or?
Yes.
Then it's late 2001, finished in 2002. They're 20 years old in 2021. Embrace H71099 and capacity is 8%, sourcing and dark rooms will be expected in the next year, 2024. Let's try to get to right here. It was completely impossible to get inside.
Yeah.
But what it is right now, I would like to check the chime.
It's the same. I already checked it.
Should have been with 2 knots.
Yeah.
That's something that they didn't change in the settings. The settings are the same.
Yeah.
But it's open to common also. I think it's very common in these residential Sigmas. They have only with 1 note.
Yeah.
I've almost never seen a residential one with 2 notes.
Yes.
Have you seen it?
Yes. At least in Bratislava.
Ah, yes. That was residential.
Yeah.
First floor.
That's